Hello guys, luto na ang aking chicken curry. Chicken curry na walang tomato paste. Ayan. Simple lang. Simpleng chicken curry lang to eh. Na may patatas, carrot, at saka kamatis. Tapos nilagyan ko siya ng curry powder, turmeric powder, salt and pepper. Ayun lang guys. Tapos maji. Ayan lang. Pwede na to. Pwede na to guys. Ayan lang guys. Kainan na. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.